Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I want to tell you about a local home builder, Niblock Homes. They've been building in the Charlotte area since 1979. Stick around. Now, Niblock Homes is a family-owned business full of brothers, sons, nephews, and they build quality product. Now, when they started off, they started building in Cabarrus County, but now they're in the greater Charlotte area, and they have several communities coming up or being developed right now. You have Cumberland, which is their patio homes community, full of 2 and 3 bedroom homes. You have Kinsley East. They just got finished selling Kinsley. You have Kinsley East in Concord, and pricing in Kinsley East will start off in the upper 4s. And then you have Old Homestead. And how can I forget? They also have Ardley and Mint Hill. Now, Niblock Homes has a almost cult-like following. Their quality precedes them. They've been doing this for over 40 years. And when people buy their product, they tend to sell, but then buy another Niblock home. Niblock Homes is also a custom builder, meaning they have architects on their team. If you have a design or thinking of a plan, they can help you make that come to life. Or if you want to rearrange one of their current plans, they have about 20 or 30 plans right now. You can do so with their help. Come with me, let's go ahead and look at the Harper floor plan. Now, this floor plan is traditionally a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with the owner's suite or primary suite on the main level. But come with me and I'll share with you how they designed this into a 4-bedroom home. Let's go. Here we are in front of the Harper floor plan. Again, this is by Niblock Homes. And this property is actually in the Kinsley community, but it's one of their popular floor plans and can be built in pretty much any community except their patio homes community, which is the Cumberland. When you come in, you have a flex room. To your left, we will check that out in a second. You have a guest suite right here in the front. With a very large walk-in closet. Not many guest suite closets have that size and that space. And you have a full bathroom down here. Beautiful attention to detail with that window above the shower. You have this flex space. They're using it as their office right now for the model home. Beautiful 2-tone kitchen cabinetry. Now they have the outdoor-indoor living with this sliding door, pocket doors. You can slide right back and have this screened-in porch right off of the living room. Now their main office is right in Concord and is right next to a lighting studio. So you don't have to go far to pick out your lighting choices. Their homes have some of the most gorgeous designs when it comes to lighting and fixtures. I really, really enjoy it. You have a drop zone here, and you have a good sized 2-car garage. Tankless water heater does come standard. We're gonna go inside the half bathroom. Now typically this half bathroom is not this large, but because this is the model home, it had to be ADA compliant. Now we're going into the owner's suite or primary suite. You have a little foyer heading into it. Very good size, tray ceilings. Look at those lighting fixtures. Again, right by their main headquarters, you could go to the lighting studio right there and just pick out some excellent choices. Primary ensuite, large walk-in shower, dual vanity sinks, again, Niblock Homes has been around since 1979. Over 40 years, the brothers have been doing their thing. They are a staple here in Cabarrus County. And throughout that time, they've sold over 35 or built and sold over 3,500 homes. It is truly a family business. Their sons have grown up into it. Some of the sons are project managers now. Real attention to detail, and they take pride in their name. They're not going to skimp. They're not going to do shortcuts because they have a reputation around these parts because they're local. Their family is easily accessible. So please, if you like this home or want to know more about Niblock Homes, reach out to my team and I. Right when you get to the top of the stairs, if you go straight, you walk into this huge suite right here. See 2 beds on either side of the bedroom. You have a large walk-in closet right here. And you have your own full bathroom right here in this bedroom. This would be perfect for a guest suite or multi-generational living, to where your owner suite's downstairs. This room has their own almost wing, it seems like. You have tile floors in the bathroom. Nowadays, you see a lot of builders put laminate flooring in the bathroom. Here you have tile. Now let's check out the rest of the home. Now this is the large loft area upstairs. Perfect for entertaining. And you have the option to add this 4th bedroom. Remember, typically it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, but you can add this 4th bedroom right here. This will be over the dining area downstairs, just so you can get a frame of reference where you're at. Large walk-in closet. And you can add, there's a full bathroom in here as well. So you can have a full 4th bathroom. Please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you. And I thoroughly enjoy introducing you to these local builders who have been here serving the North South Carolina area for years. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.